Hello, what's happening, people? Welcome to my another video in which I'm going to be showing you how to build a personal portfolio web page, which is the fifth challenge of FreeCodeCamp. So let's dive into coding, right? So if you want to just click on the link, and the page that we're going to be building is similar to this one, but we're gonna give it a bit of our personal touch. Alright, so let's keep this one opened as a sample, and we can move to our task. So if you, because I love doing test driven development, if you want to just open up this code pen, basically what FreeCodeCamp has done is that they have given this platform in which you can develop and run your test cases as well at the same time. So you should, for example, you develop an app and you give that an ID, and then if that is the requirement, then you press run test, and it will run the test for you and see if your code passes that particular test or not. Alright, so I'll just change this to the so we have already got our personal portfolio. Yeah, this one. For some reason I was looking for this one under technical documentation page as it's shown in the FreeCodeCamp, but here it's gone on the second link, which is a bit weird. I don't know why that happened, but yep, that happened. Anyway, choose that, and then we can minimize this one because we're not going to be using JavaScript for now. Alright, now we have pretty good space to work with. Alright, so let's get coding. Alright, so our first requirement is that the portfolio should have a welcome section with an ideal welcome section. Alright, so we're gonna create a welcome section now. So section, and give that an ID of welcome of, I think it was main section, isn't no, it was welcome section. Alright, so we're gonna give that the ID welcome section. Alright, now that's save the pen. Alright, and let's see if our first test passes. Alright, so I'm gonna choose this. So our project is chosen, and we're gonna run the test. 2 test pass. Alright, which is the 2 test? Yep, we have passed the technology stack test, and my portfolio should have welcome section. Yep, that's passed. Perfect. Now let's move on to the next requirement, which is the welcome section should have an H1 element that contains text. Okay, fair enough. Welcome section H1 should have an H1 text. Yep, that's perfectly fine, and I'm gonna just add in my name. Let's say I am Zane Abzal. Alright, let's format that. let's save that again, and our test, still two tests are passing. Yep, I can see a minimum. Oh, no, that's the wrong one. When you select personal portfolio, run the test, and now free test is passing, which are the portfolio with the section, welcome section. The welcome section should have an H1 element. Perfect. We just did that one here. Sweet. Alright, let's move on to our third requirement, which is that our portfolio should have a section for projects with an ID project. Okay, so let's do so create another section called with an ID was projects. Alright, so projects. Perfect. Run the test again, and now 4 tests are passing. Brilliant, we are flying, guys. Alright, let's continue with our which one the project contains. Okay, let's just stop here and design our no, actually, let's just continue. Yeah, it's fine. So the project should contain at least one element. The project section, which is this one here, the project section should contain at least one element with a class project tile to hold a project. Okay, so one element with a class project title to project element should contain at least one element with a class of. Alright, so create a div class of the class of projectile alright, to all the project. Yep, that's done. Let's see that is 5. Brilliant, you are doing awesome, guys. Yeah, it was link. Alright, perfect. So the project should contain at least one link to a project. The projects section again, which is the same one, should contain one link. Alright, just for the sake of passing the test, let's do this. Project name, same name of project, or title of project. Okay, and now requirement 6, the portfolio should have a navbar with an ID navbar, and I'm pretty sure you already know how to do this. Close, that's a closing tag. Alright, and then give an ID navbar. Brilliant. Okay, give an ID navbar. So the navbar should contain at least one link that I can click on to navigate to the different sections of the page. So the links that I'm gonna give it are they can be in an unordered list. Alright, and link 1, 2. I'm gonna give you 3 links. Okay, so your personal portfolio. Well, for me, I'm gonna have an about me, an about link, a work link, and my contact details link. Alright, so I'm gonna have 3 sections: about, work, and contact. About, work, and contact. Alright, let's see how this is looking up. Alright, that's not too bad. Bear in mind, we still have to infer the CSS. Alright, and now moving on, how many test cases are we passing? Oh, 6. Half of the project is done already. Well done, guys. Proud of you. Alright, let's keep moving. This one link to the project should contain at least one link to a project. Okay, that one goes there. An anchor tag, closing anchor tag. Yep, cool. At least one of the parts you can get with the back and navigator. Alright, so that would be in anchor tag because it's a link, remember. We need to use it to navigate to different sections, which we are doing this part here now. Apologies, I forgot to tell you guys that we've actually moved on from the requirement 6 to requirement 7. If you want to say choose story 6, choose story 7, you can say that as well. Okay, do that one. Okay, keep it on this. I'm gonna keep it on the same line because it's set space as it, and it's not too hard to read either. Okay, that one there. And last but not the least, perfect. And now we need to give it. So this one's done. Remember, we still have to add the links as in the palm where you actually click and it goes to the corresponding section. Alright, I'll come back to user story 7 anyway. Cool. So user story 8, my portfolio should have a link with an ID or portfolio link which opens GitHub. Right, so we're gonna come back to this part here, adding a profile link because I want to do this in my contact section, which I haven't yet implemented or designed. So let's design the sections which are from 1 to 7. Alright, now I'm gonna jump into CSS and do this part here. Alright, which is navigation bar. You can also call it nav bar. Alright, so I'm gonna design that one. Jumping into my CSS. So I'm gonna give my nav bar a width of 100 view width. Alright, so nav bar. Oops, my battery is running low. I better charge it straight away. We don't want to lose all the work we've already done. Okay, so this will be width 100 view width. Okay, and want to display as flex layout, and I want to right align. So these things here, I want them to line on the right. For that, I'm going to use justify content, flex and oops, I forgot the J. I wondered why it wasn't working. Justify content. Why is it not working? Nav bar, unit display. Flex. I typed in A instead of an E. Yeah, perfect. There we go. Alright. Now we're gonna remove these bullet points from the link, so we can do nav bar link and list style none. Okay, that's gone from there. Now what do we need? I need to bring these links a bit to the left. So for that, we're gonna use. Hang on, actually, I'm gonna give that a class nav list, nav list, and use the class instead. Nav list, nav list. Oh, right now, oops, why did I type in 7? Alright, I'm gonna format these links in as in the text to become on one line, and a bit of padding around them as well. So I'm gonna do nav list dash anchor text, and then display block font nav list flex fonts where were we? Font family, Arial is fine. I'll go with that. And heading, I want it to be 0.5 REM. That'd be right? Yeah, that makes sense. And I need it to be a bit to the left still. So I'm gonna do margin right 3 REM. Alright, and why are these still on top of one another? As in a column, or want them in a row? Alright, we haven't just styled an ordered list, so let's do that. Ordered list, unordered list, and give it flex layout. Perfect, there we go. Looks good, doesn't it? And I want it to also give it a background color to the entire nav list. Say blue. Let's check here as a decimal. HTML color picker. Okay, let's choose this one. Bad. Cool. Alright, and I need the font. Can I change the font color here? Color white. Okay, perfect. Yep, that is good to me. So I wanted to make it a bit bigger, so we can just increase the font size to 1.25 EMs. No, still a bit too small, isn't it? 1.3 EM. Yep, that looks kind of alright. Yep, so let's change the color as well to this one. Yep, that looks good to me. Alright, so now that we've got our nav bar, now we need to move on to our welcome section and how to style it. Alright, so now I'll show you guys how to do the welcome section part. So what we're going to be doing is similar to this. So this is a welcome section, okay, and here basically what we're going to be doing is putting our name and what are we. If you are a mobile developer, you can put a mobile developer. If web or web developer, and if if you also want to be specific, say a front-end web developer or a back-end web developer, same goes with the mobile as well. Alright, so let's get started on that one. So first of all, I'm gonna style the main welcome section. Alright, do this one. So style the welcome section, say class welcome section. So give that a display of flex layout. I need that one, and I want the flex direction to be a column, so not next to each other. I need the heading and the paragraph to be as columns, so one up and one down. Alright, that's from where the flex column came from, and I want it to be centered. Okay, oops, I forgot the content. Justify content and then align the items center as well. And then I want to give it a width of 100% viewport. View width. Alright. And the background color can stay white. Alright. Now we can style the heading only. Alright, so the heading would be I would probably do, just to be on the safe side, what was my okay, so I need to say that the class, I don't want to use the ID in the CSS for this particular sections, so I'll use the same name of ID as a class, and then this one can go class welcome section heading. Yep, okay, I want the heading to be same as that color, well, not exactly the same, but around those lines. So we're gonna, have I put 2 here? Yep, 2, no, 1 only. Yep, so color will be, I've already chosen what color I want it to be, so I'll just apply the color here. Yep, then I wanna center line the text, which is already done. Yeah, perfect. Text line center. Right, and I want it to be a bit big, so I'm going to set the font weight to 600. That be enough? Let's see. Font size is 3 RPM. Now it can be a bit bigger. 6. That's not too bad. Okay. I'm gonna just put my first name in there. Right, and then I don't want any padding or margins. So I'm gonna do 0. Alright, then we'll get rid of the margin and the padding for me. Perfect. Now we want the paragraph as well, so we do enthusiastic web development. And now we can style the paragraph as well. So we'll do the same section, and then I want it font size to be 2 IM. How big is that? Yeah, kind of alright. I'm happy with this. And font weight can be 200, I would say. Yeah. Font style, I want it to be italics. Stylish bit. Italic. Perfect. There we go. Alright, and I don't want any more padding or margin. Not too bad, is it? Alright, that's our navbar and welcome section done. Just one more thing I want to do to this CSS document is apply all the pages heading to 0 and margin to 0. That looks more like it. Yep, I'm happy with that. Wait, hang on. Why is this become italic now? This one's supposed to become italic. Did it happen because of this? No, it happened before as well. So, this is why I've given the entire font style of the welcome section italic. I don't want to do that. I just want to give the paragraph italics, which is, I was wrong. So P, perfect. Paragraph italic. That one's there. Alright, and what else? Okay, so I wanna make these links a bit separated from each other, so more um more more gaps, top, bottom, left, and right. And so I'm gonna do space them out with a padding. Say 2. How does that look? 3. No, that's too much. 2. Yeah, that's quite alright. And I'm gonna increase the font size to 5. Yep, that's much better. Cool. Yep, well, hope you guys enjoyed until this stage. I'm gonna be continuing the part, this video in part 2 now. So look out for part 2, and we'll take it from there. Hope you guys enjoyed it and learned a lot. So good night. Bye bye.